Ebikaro by'ebunke ye Senate nigo byairanirwa awase abaseneta bagenderete kubwatuka ebirengerere byabo igoro yokoreta amagenderero imeyense ya Kenya. Abaseneta abo gati yabo Ali Roba Kitonga Manzo gati yabande nigo mono bakwanira igoro muchando bumurakera uyogenderete kwenekiwa ase chinsemo awo notabna serikali kubwatirana serikali chie county jwenta kolyeredia emero gosechi wenda tukobeke emero biresaine yokoenekia buna oichindagira chabere chikwenda no cyase chinsemecho nabo igokorigia chinchera cyo gukora umucando bumurakera n'inchara.
We must really protect our environment. Trees have been cut all over. There are forest fires in many parts of the country. Very little is being done to stop these fires. This is raising the world temperature, and eventually the rains fail due to also depletion of ozone layer. As a country, one of the solutions is to plant trees. We need to come up with a policy for every county to have part of its budget to plant trees, and also every county to rearrange its budget to buy food, especially where the counties are facing serious famine, to buy food for the people, and also what to do then with the animals which are starving. The government has to do something so that grass is provided to those animals and water.
I would like to urge maybe using Senate resolution if possible, if the county governments can really defer implementation of certain projects for purposes of making sure we save lives and try and respond to the humanitarian crisis that is taking shape.